Welcome back to the KOAM Morning News. We're here at Franklin Technology Center, attached to Joplin High School in Joplin. Don Turnbull, the welding instructor here. Don, great to have you on the show. Thanks for making some time for us. So, first, this is National Welding Month. Tell me a little bit about that.
So it's just a way to promote the trades and let kids know, what opportunities are available to them out there, whether that be construction, manufacturing, fabrication, but just a way to kind of promote the welding field in general. So
awesome. And you, of course, have this welding class here at Franklin Tech. Tell me a little bit about the class. How do kids get involved in this?
Well, they usually start to learn about it at the time they get into high school or sooner through middle school tours or sophomore tours. They'll kind of tour all of Franklin Tech and see what class is right for them. They'll take this class their junior and senior year of high school. So they're in here for 2 years, and we kind of just go from there. So, yep.
All right. And is there any kind of special certifications they can earn while they're in the program?
Yeah. So they earn their OSHA 10 safety certification. They have a chance to earn AWS certification as well, which is a welding certification. They'll do some forklift certification and maybe some training on scissor lifts and things like that. So.
Okay. So a lot of great things that the resources they can learn here. And, of course, one of the things we hear a lot about is how important the trades are. A lot of folks, they sometimes get into school. They think about those white-collar jobs. They think, oh, well, that's got to be the way. I've got to do this. But the trades are even more important in many cases. How important would you consider this one?
Well, they're so in demand right now. I mean, there's always a shortage, whether they're looking for welders or HVAC techs, auto techs. So it's extremely important to get kids involved in this and let them realize that that traditional college route is not the only way to go, that this is available to them too. So,
and what do the students think when they get into this program? You ever run into some that just like, I'll give it a try, and then they end up falling in love with it?
Yeah, absolutely. It's pretty overwhelming for a lot of them at first. A lot of them have never been around the equipment and things like that. But the more they get into it and the more comfortable they get, some of them will just take off with it, and that you can just tell that's what their passion's going to be. So.
All right, and how important is it to be able to offer something like this at the high school level?
Well, I think it's awesome because it lets kids get interested in something, earlier and know that there are different pathways out there available to them. So it's not just the high school into things. There's several different opportunities at Franklin Tech. So.
Right. And there's also, of course, I believe, adult classes that are offered at Franklin Tech as well.
Yes, during the night they do offer adult classes. Yep.
So lots of opportunities here. And in terms of student response, what do you get to these students? It's a hands-on kind of thing. This isn't you sit at the desk and you take notes and listen to a lecture. They're getting involved.
Yeah, absolutely. Very little class time in here. If we do, we're covering things like blueprints or safety, a little bit of theory. But most of the class takes place out in the shop to where they can really get their hands dirty and start learning these hands-on skills. So. Yep.
Perfect. Well, Don, thank you so much. And, of course, we're not done yet. We're going to go out, we're going to speak with some of these students, and we're going to see what it takes to be a welder. I'm not necessarily going to be a good one, but that's all right. That's what these kids are here for.
Yeah, they can teach you for sure.
All right, Don, thank you. And we'll be back with more right after this. Welcome back to the KOAM Morning News. Again, we're here at Franklin Tech in Joplin, of course, attached to the high school. Junior Kendall is with us in the welding program. As we mentioned earlier with the teacher, it is National Welding Month. So, Kendall, thanks for taking some time with us this morning.
Yeah, thank you for letting me.
Yeah, so tell me, what first off got you interested in this program?
So my freshman year, I was in an ag class, and we had this topic about welding. And I ran my first bead, and I realized that this is something that I wanted to pursue. And so, my junior year, I took the opportunity to sign up for Franklin Tech, and it was one of the best decisions of my life.
I'll say, when you got into high school then, this wasn't something you had seen and were considering. It just kind of came up.
Yeah. I wanted to be a teacher for the longest time, but now this is what I want to do.
So a very different career path. But what is it about the welding that draws you to it?
I just like the hands-on work more. I just feel like I learn more, I get to experience more whenever I get to do the hands-on.
All right, and so of course this is your first year doing this.
Yes.
Okay, and we're almost to the end of the year. What's the experience been like?
It's been great. I mean, the people here are amazing. I've met some of my really close friends. I mean, Turnbull's great. I've learned a ton with some things that I never knew going in here, so it's been a very fun experience.
Well, and of course, a lot of learning taking place, so Kendall's going to show us a little bit of what's involved in the welding process.
Yes.
Okay, let's take a look.
Okay. This process that I'm going to show you today is called MIG welding. So typically this is kind of one of the easier processes that we use in the shop just because because you don't really have a lot of different things that go into it. It's one of my favorites by far. I really enjoy doing this one. So I'll go ahead and show you how it works and how it runs. Okay, so I'm going to press this trigger here and it's going to start, so make sure you're not looking whenever I do arcing.
Okay.
If you want to watch it, make sure you have a hood
Okay.
so that you don't get flash burn.
That's a good idea.
Yeah. Ready? That's just how it goes. You just run straight deep like that. And
okay, so I mean, it's a pretty cool process. What would you say to maybe some other students, maybe in middle school or maybe freshmen who aren't sure what they want to do? What would you tell them about this program? Maybe get them to check it out.
I would tell them that it's definitely a very solid option if you don't really know what you want to pursue in the future. I mean, in my experience, I didn't really know. I was kind of confused, and then one day I was like, I kind of want to do this, and I did, and here we are.
All right, well, Kendall, thank you so much for your time
Thank you.
today, and we want to thank you for tuning in. We're back with more of the KOAM Morning News right after this.